G'day guys, how you going? As you can see, it's not Aaron, but he's with me down here at Aldinga Beach. I mean, how good's that? Bloody beautiful. The idea of today's cook is to do something that would be good if you bring the kids, family down to the beach. You know, you little Weber GA, simple, easy cooks, tasty, that you can kind of do while you're sitting back, having a few frothies and watching the kids muck around. So first thing today, what we're gonna do is some chicken lollipops. Basically, the idea is, so we're gonna take it from this into this, as simple as possible. The idea here is it's gonna be really, really quick, super simple. Basically, what you wanna do is find where the meat finishes, and it's really just bone, and just get a nice sharp knife, keep spinning it around, do a nice cut, all right? And then, might have to get your fingers in there, push that down. Just be careful that there is a little pin bone in there. You can take the time to remove it, but as long as you remember it's there, when you eat it, you shouldn't have any dramas. All right, sometimes a sharp pair of scissors will help. You just cut through that little membrane that's there. Another little trick, just like when you're removing the membrane from the back of some pork ribs, use some paper towel. You really just gotta work it. Get your finger over that knuckle, remove as much of it as you can. Again, like we're not in competition here, so let's just get it done. And basically, what you can do in your Weber kettle, you can sit it up like that, but with us, we're actually going to lay it down on a little Weber GA. So see there, you can just tidy some of this stuff up, just get rid of the real scraggly bits. So we'll get a few more of these ready, get them seasoned up, and get them in the barbie. So 5 all trimmed up. Again, super quick, super simple. We're not running comp boxes here. You know, the kids are hungry, they want to get fed, so let's get them seasoned up in the barbie. So this is the honey soy slammer, a new one coming out. Basically, probably going to be out by the time this video comes, but smelling that and tasting it, whew, it's going to be good. See how easy that's coming out. It's a nice and fine rub. Get it all over. So they're all seasoned up, guys. There'll be a link in the description below where you can get that honey soy slammer from, but now it's time to get the barbie cranking. Let's go. So look, funny story, guys. This is why you leave the video making to the professionals. I've forgotten my cooking grate, but look, we'll improvise. I've got my grill grates in there. As you can see, you've got the Weber GA. It's a 200mm riser. We've done probably half a chimney worth of lit briquettes down the bottom. Got a bit of smoking wood, just cherry. Just gonna throw it in there. I'm gonna put the chicken on the top. So to be honest with you, not even gonna monitor the temperature. I'm gonna make sure I can feel that it's gonna be hot enough. Then we're gonna use that little instant read, make sure it's hit 74 degrees. And then we're gonna apply a bit of a glaze, and we'll come back when we're ready for that. All right, guys, so chicken's done. I've just done an internal temperature checks. It's about the 74 degree mark. And if you're looking for a temperature of the barbecue, look, it's been running at about 350 Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. So what we're going to do now, get a bit of glaze on it. This is South Australian made. It says jalapeno on the bottle, but don't worry, it's safe for the kids. My kids love this. Almost no heat level. So what we've actually done is I put it in a little aluminium cup, and it's just been heating just to thin it out a bit. So I'll probably just get some heat-proof gloves on there. And but as you can see, chicken's looking real good. Right, so what we're going to do here, guys, is just carefully pick them up, give them a dunk, give them a twist, just get that glaze all over them, and back on we go. These are only going to be on for a few minutes just to let that glaze set a little bit. As you can see, the grill grates weren't ideal, but that's what happens when you come down the beach. Forget stuff. Righto, just give them a couple of minutes.
All right, let's see how Russ is done. Quick cook, under an hour's time. So tasty. Kids will love them. Nice and sweet. Next to no heat.
It's actually a really good combo, isn't it? Beautiful.
Love that.
If you've got more people to cook for too, just bring a bigger barbecue. Get a Weber, you get heaps of these in there. Mate, I'm pretty happy with that.
Oh, they're so juicy, so good. All right, I reckon it's time to enjoy a beer. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good job, mate.
Thanks, mate. You ripper.